That's all you, that.
What?
I don't have cash hardly. Labels off out.
Oh.
Cut fiver. It's a fiver dark drain.
Literally.
It's usually a coin or a hair grip. Oh, there's a savings account in here.
What? I'll empty my pockets from now on.
Yes. When are you going to empty your pockets? At what point?
Before I put it in the washing machine.
No, when you take the coats off. When you take your clothes off before you put them in the wash basket, check your pockets.
Okay.
Otherwise, I've got 25,000 pockets to check before that puts it in. Well, come on now. It's basic human life skills, this, Eleanor.